Hey there! To move the taskbar icons, including the start button, from the center of the taskbar over to the left, here's what we do. Grab your cursor, pop it on the taskbar, then right click, go to Taskbar Settings. We arrive on the taskbar section. We want to come down the list and locate Taskbar Behaviors. Just to the right, there's an arrow. Tap on that. It expands, and the first line here is taskbar alignment. Now watch what happens when we change this from center to left. There we have it. It's moved across to the left hand side just like it was in Windows 10. Now of course, if you change your mind, you just right click again on the taskbar settings, come down to taskbar behaviors, taskbar alignment, and change that back to center. So I hope that's helped, and please give the video a thumbs up if it has. Thanks very much for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.